This video illustrates Rockwell hardness test. In this method, the hardness of material is correlated to the depth of indentation and not with the area of indentation. While performing this test, we can use two types of indenter. One is hard steel ball and other is braille indenter. The hard steel ball, it can have 1 by 16 inch, 1 by 8 inch, 1 by 4 inch or 1 by 2 inch diameter. Whereas the braille indenter is made up of diamond in the form of cone, for which the included angle is 120 degree. The tip of braille indenter is grounded to the accurate radius of 0.2 mm. During this experiment, loads are applied in two stages. Initially, a constant minor load of 10 kg is applied. After that, we apply a major load. This major load can be 60 kg, 100 kg or 150 kg. The appropriate combination of indenter and load will be dependent upon test specimen. This is the Rockwell hardness tester. It mainly consists of indenter holder, anvil, hand wheel, a section to place a major load. This is the section of tester where we place the minor load. Here the pointer is indicating the minor load. This is the lever which we use to apply the minor load during the Rockwell hardness test. Currently this pointer is at unloading position. To load the minor load, we are going to shift this. When the lever is at unload position, the minor load is supported by blue strips. When we shift the lever from unload to load position, the blue supports will be removed and minor load will be applied. To apply a major load, we have to shift this lever from unload to load, and the shifting has to be a gradual. The most important part of this hardness tester is dial indicator. The hardness of specimen under test can be measured directly from the dial indicator reading. With these basics, let's check out how to measure the hardness of aluminum test specimen on Rockwell hardness tester. To begin with the test, we have to first of all select the appropriate combination of load and indenter. For this, I am going to take the help of chart which is provided onto the hardness tester. In this chart, we have different columns such as scale, indenter, major load in kg, dial and application. I am going to look into the application column. In this row, I found the aluminium alloy. For this particular material, the suggested indenter is 1 by 16 inch diameter ball indenter and major load of 100 kg. While measuring the hardness, I am going to consider the rayed scale onto the dial. This particular combination is represented as Rockwell B scale. This is the ball indenter having diameter of 1 by 16 inch, which I am going to place into the indenter holder. After mounting the indenter on hardness tester, I am going to place my test specimen onto the anvil. According to the chart, we have to apply the major load of 100 kg. This 100 kg load consists of initial minor load of 10 kg plus additional load of 90 kg. Additional load of 90 kg is placed in the load section of the machine. Now we have to bring the indenter in contact with the test specimen. To ensure the close contact between the indenter and test specimen, I am going to look at the dial. By moving the hand wheel, I am going to bring the small pointer near to the red dot, for which my big pointer is completing 2.5 rotation. At the end, the big pointer I have to coincide with 0. To apply the minor load, I am going to shift my lever to the load position. In the next step, we have to apply the major load.
When we apply the major load, pointer shows deflection and it moves in the anti-clockwise direction. When pointer becomes stable, we have to remove the applied major load.
Major load can be removed by moving the lever from load to unload position.
After unloading, we have to observe the red scale carefully.
According to the first trial, the hardness of test specimen is 44 RB. We have to repeat this experiment 2 more times. And by taking the average of 3 trials, we will get the appropriate hardness for aluminium test specimen. According to the second and third trial, the hardness of test specimen is 42 RB and 43 RB. Thus, the average of all 3 trials is 43 RB. Therefore, the hardness of aluminum test specimen is 43 RB. In Rockwell hardness tester, the dial is calibrated in the inverse fashion, because of which the hardness number is directly proportional to the actual hardness of the material.